METC stock analysis and METC stock prediction. What I'll be personally doing here is showing you my exact play with Ramaco Resources. Look, it's for 30th of June and onwards, and as the only guy in the space, stock trading space, that's making videos, I'm the only guy documented 42,000 videos. I'm not just saying just to say it, it's like the literal truth. So practically speaking, boom, METC, okay, yeah, there you go. I see it kind of pumping up quite strongly, and I'm open-minded to just double down on that, you know. So how's that going to look like? Here's the top, here's the bottom. So unless I see it pulling down and giving me some sort of a shift, then I won't care. Like, he can do whatever he wants. I'm just sticking to rules, right? What are rules? Just a formula, right, that I've tested for 5 years, that I've refined over 5 years. It's a kind of the end results after 5 years is spending tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. So if you want to shortcut your learning, want to get that like in hours, click the first link below. Risk-free opportunity for the Discord and all the workshops. 1,200 people have gotten it. All reviews are 5 stars. Check out the front link below. Like I said, it's risk-free.